with the daytime highs basically getting into the lower 90s now, and the overnight lows in the upper 70s, we're not going to be camping for a while. I'm going to strip out the contents of the pantry because we don't want even the non-perishables, we don't want them to perish. So let's go through and see what we've actually used in this year of camping.
Living in a van down by the river, singing loud. No times, no change, just the rolling clouds. Freedom tastes real sweet when you know.
We did not use the jasmine rice. I got this recently for, I don't remember which trip. It was the last 1 or 2 trips that I took, and I just didn't use it. Herb stuffing mix, didn't use that either. I used a box, I had 2 in here. Okay, we've got the hanging wire baskets. Let's go with the top one. Lowry's, sweet and low. Taco seasoning, or taco sauce, I mean. Spicy brown mustard. Oh, we're just gonna throw this one out. The ketchup packet's exploded. Miracle Whip. Relish. Mustard. Soy sauce. Also, the number 2 coffee filters. That was for the silicone coffee brewer, which I'm not using anymore. Freeze-dried soup mix. Nor butter and herb. And rotini. Turkey gravy. Peanut butter. Chicken rice dinner, box dinner. That's another one of the Knorr bag dinners. That one was leaking. It's going thrown away. Vanilla extract is going into the spice kit. Canned tomato sauce, I'm pulling those aside. They're within their dates, but the cans are rusting. I'm kind of concerned about them. Potato soup, chili, Great Value chunk chicken. That stuff is disgusting. It's going away. It's a reason I didn't use that. More spices that don't belong in there. There was poultry seasoning, chicken flavored ramen. And I'm sorting with bags in the background. Sorry about the delay. Those are cans of green beans. Ah, there we go. I don't know if I... Come on, get it in front of the camera. That was the can of pasta sauce. It's the Hunt's canned spaghetti sauce, the meat flavor. Canned vegetables, basically green beans. Non-stick spray, butter flavor. That would be olive oil, sesame oil, and my Arizona green tea. Okay, now we're on to vegetable oil. More of the canned soup. more of the canned soup. I had way too much canned soup, and I next to never use that stuff. I'm not going to put that back in. Peanut butter. Refried beans, which I go through a lot of. There's more of that spaghetti sauce. Sugar in the raw. I should have got it in the packets. And it's a hot chocolate mix. Instant oatmeal. Apples and cinnamon flavor. And we got a raspberry tea mix. Was the wrong size. And lastly, powdered milk. So some basic takeaways here. I should only have one can of peanut butter in there. I have no idea why there's two. I had way too much soup. I had way too much tomato sauce. I have duplicates of items that are in that spice kit. The spice kit's not in the van. It's at home. So the pouches, the packets of condiments are literally so I don't have to take up space in the refrigerator. A bottle of mustard, a bottle of Miracle Whip, a bottle of ketchup, that takes up precious space in that teeny tiny little refrigerator. I will probably try to find the smallest possible bottles of each because I'm not happy with the way this is working out. But the other things, the taco sauce, the the soy sauce, taco sauce and soy sauce, I think those are okay. But the others, yeah. Okay, well, we got back home. We sorted through it. Let's go through the process of what goes into the storage containers to be held to go back into the camper at the beginning of the next camping trip and camping season. Okay, so we've got 5-gallon buckets with Gamma Seal lids. These are literally the pantries I use with the pickup shell camper. Now, I haven't gotten that completed because we haven't finished the engine swap. But, hey, we're going to put these to use to hold the pantry stuff for next year. We're going to start off chicken gravy, roast beef hash, apple pie filling. This is going to come in handy with the pie iron. That bag of jasmine rice, maple instant oatmeal, apple instant oatmeal, peanut butter, Tyson canned chicken. The Great Value canned chicken was disgusting. I haven't tried this one, so we're going to put those back in. Sesame oil, seasoned salt, olive oil, vegetable oil, rotini, and the packets of powdered milk. I'm only putting about half of those packets in there. The rest of them I'll probably use throughout the year. We're getting rid of the canned soups. I will be bringing some Dinty Moore beef stew back in. I don't like most canned soups, but for some reason Dinty Moore beef stew and camping go together for me. I blame the Scouts. I'm trying to get off of the artificial sweeteners. I'm trying to use monk fruit sweetener. I'm having trouble finding monk fruit sweetener available in the packets. I got a box of it from Sam's Club a while ago. I don't have a Sam's membership. A friend of mine does. I got to con him into getting me some more. I can work a deal. We'll find something out. It's the only place I've seen it. yeah, that's it. I may take a trip this summer, depending. I've got to get the coach air conditioner working so that I can be able to sleep in that thing at night. I can, I'm not living in the thing when I'm camping. I'm living out of it. But there's two things that need to happen. The awning needs to get fixed. Alltop needs to get me the correct repair arm for it. They keep sending me the short one. It's marked correctly on the boxes, but the boxes don't have the right contents. It's a problem coming from their manufacturer, and we're still working on that. And of course, I'm working. I need to get the air conditioner fixed. Other than that, I'm definitely ready to go. As you can see in the video, I've got a little more cleanup to do along the base. I haven't mounted the cell phone booster to anything solid yet. I need to do that. I need to mount the internal antenna, and then I'm pretty much done. Everything else would be just upgrades from there. So anyway, that's it for the pantry, and let's move on to the next subject. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching my video. If you like what you saw, please be sure that you click like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and share my video with your friends and family. Please be sure you go back and check out the older videos in the archive. There's some great stuff in there that I'm sure you'll enjoy. And if you'd like to support my work, please be sure to visit us at wildersportoutdoors.com and buy some merch. There's some great stuff there, and it'll go a long ways to help us out. All right, that's it. That's the video for today. Stick with us, and you'll catch the next one. And like I always tell you, get out there, be productive, be safe, but most of all, be blessed. I'll talk to you later.
But here by the river, I feel like I'm alive. Nature's heartbeat makes you